Greetings to my fellow YouTubers, Facebookers, and watch enthusiasts who are obviously watching this video. Today is a great day. It's a great morning. I finally got in my Zelos Hammerhead bronze watch with the meteorite face. Wanted to do two shout outs real quick. First to Elshan, the owner of Zelos, for the excellent communication. This guy is a fantastic guy to work with. His communication is first rate. Emails are answered immediately. Good conversations on Facebook as well. And just a great guy to work with. I highly recommend Zelos. As a matter of fact, I'm also a backer of their current campaign, and I'm looking forward to receiving that watch. I guess it's in August, so it's going to be a while, but looking forward to that watch as well. But also, a shout out to my friend Devore, who also owns one of these hammerheads, and just the video he made, which I'll with his permission, I'll link to at a later date. The video he made inspired me to order my own hammerhead, and he's a great guy too. He's easy to talk to, and has a great taste in watches. So. And he's also the guy that in my last video said that my knife work made him so nervous that before I started the video, I decided to do the cutting open off camera so that he didn't get nervous on this video. Anyway, the box arrived FedEx. It was shipped out on January 27th, 2018, and arrived on January 29th, 2018. Take note, United States Postal Service. It is possible to ship something overseas, in this case from Singapore to where I am in Florida, not taking 3 weeks, not taking a week and a half in customs, and not being bounced all over the state of Florida until it reaches where I'm at after 4 days. If you could reach 50% of FedEx's efficiency, you'd be doing a hell of a lot better. But you won't, because you're all government stiffs who can't get fired for doing a bad job. End of rant. Let's open her up. So, obviously a well-packed box. Very happy with that. Goodbye, box. What a gorgeous box. Absolutely good. Just the box alone is worth the price of admission, but let's see. Open her up. And what do we got? We got, and we'll move that off to the side, and we have the roll with a buckle. Jeez, the man spared no expense on packaging, I'm telling you. Some of the best stuff I've seen this side of a Rolex. I mean, the pouch is nice metal buckle, heavy duty leather strap, and the pouch is, I think it's leather. Even if it's not leather, it feels great. And we unroll. There we go. And what do we got? Well, we've got straps. And this is the canvas strap. Look how thick that is. Look at that. Look at that. That's as thick as a quarter. For those of you who deal with American money, that's heavy duty Italian leather with a canvas top. Very nice. Put that back. Put that aside. And we have, this is the band I'm probably going to use right now. As soon as I finish the video, I'll probably swap it out for... That's a nice. It's a little stiff. It's very thick. Look at the thickness of that thing. It's very stiff right now, but I'm sure it'll break in quite nicely. Feels good. Nice and soft on the underside here. So that's going to feel really good. And we got a spring bar tool. Can never have too many spring bars. Well, it's a spring bar on this end. Oops, sorry. Spring bar on this end and a little pointy thing on that end. Can never have too many of these. I'll use the pointy end to adjust all the moon phase watches that I have. A bunch of those. And now, the star. This is what I've been waiting for. Oh, God. Oh, you ain't got my name on it. Thank you. That makes me feel even more special. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, I love it. This is going to become one of my top 3 favorite watches. I guarantee that right now. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that buckle. Look at that buckle. That thing is huge. And it's got the rubber strap on it, which, you know, that's not going to be my preference. I'll change it out as soon as I finish with the video, but look at that thing. Ah. Oh, Elshin, you have outdone yourself. This is beautiful watch. Look at that. I don't know if this video is even going to do justice to how beautiful that face is, but my God. Look at the engraving on the back. Get that protective thing off. We don't need that anymore. The engraving is beautiful. The engraving should be on the face of the watch. I mean, this thing is too pretty to hide. Unbelievable. You know, screw down watch back. Luckily, I have a tool for that if I ever need it, which I'm sure I won't. The fluorescent is beautiful. Oh, solid, yet easy to turn. Very easy to turn, but it's a solid piece. It feels like it's... Yeah, let's see. Is this a screw-down crown? Nope. I don't have any fingernails, so I'm going to have a hell of a time getting that off. Anyway, I'll do that later. Beautiful watch. I'm not sure how big that is across. I think, was it a 40 mil? 41? I left my calipers in the other room, so I should have brought them out for that, but... you know, 20/20 hindsight. Next video, I'll make sure I'll have my calipers around. Now, let's put this on, see how she fits. Devore, you did this so much more elegantly than I did. I'm just not good at this yet. There you go. Oh, no, that's nice. My arm doesn't twist good enough. Look at that. That fits beautifully on my... I don't know how big my wrist is. I'm never probably going to ever bother measuring it, but that just fits beautifully. Yep. Oh, and it's solid, and it feels solid. It feels every bit as good as the amount of money I paid for it, and the amount of money I paid for it, it feels like I got a bargain in this. And look at that face. I mean, that watch face with the meteorite, that's just spectacular. I don't have a watch like this at all. I'm very happy with that. Look at the sweep second hand is working perfectly. You can even see in this light, you can see how good it glows. Let's see if I can get it to. No, I really can't, can I? But you can see the indicators on the bezel have that glow in the dark stuff. I forgot the name of it. It'll come to me after I finish the video, of course. And it just looks great. Cannot say enough about this watch. It is nice and big, and got meat to it. Look at it. The crown is even signed with the glow in the dark on it. Just has great heft. And a lot of people, they like heft. I'm one of those people. I like a hefty watch. I want a solid. I want to know it's there. Man, you are going to know it's there. Look at how it catches the light. That is just beautifully done. Beautifully done. Zelos, you have a fan for life. I'm telling you. If your next campaign that I backed, the watch is as good as this one, hell, I'll buy more. I'll buy more anyway. Anyway, I'm very happy with this. Just overall great quality pieces. Got the bands, the tool, the bag. There's nothing else in there, is there? Nope, there isn't. And maybe I'll talk to Elshin about some of those bezels that he has available for this thing. I'll think about that. But I like the bronze bezel myself. I think that looks great. Although, DeVore, he's got one, same watch with a black bezel on it now. That looks pretty good too. I might consider that. Anyway, that's my brief, hopefully useful to you overview of the Zelos Hammerhead. I can see why they call it a hammerhead. Man, you hit somebody with this thing and it'd be like hitting them with a hammer. Sorry, I do not advocate violence, of course. But beautiful package. Beautifully done, beautifully packaged, shipped quickly. With an owner of the company who is more than willing to communicate with you and provide spectacular customer service. I just can't praise him enough for that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I read all the comments. I'll respond to them. Keep it clean, folks. I try and keep it clean on my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. And have a good day.